How to allow camera and microphone access on Facebook Messenger on laptop. It's quite easy and simple to allow and give access for camera and microphone on Facebook Messenger on laptop. Follow all the steps one by one till the end of the video. First, open the web version of Facebook. You can open any browser and on the search bar type in facebook.com. Log into your account, then click on three dots at the top right corner of this site. Scroll a bit down and on this drop-down menu box select Settings. On this left panel click on Privacy and Security. Scroll a bit down under Privacy and Security, click Site Settings. Scroll Permissions options are here. Select Camera and toggle on the button for sites can ask to use camera. If you see Facebook website here under Not allowed to use camera, remove it. Let's come back to the same page and then select microphone. Ensure to toggle on the button for sites can ask to use microphone and make sure there is no any Facebook under not allowed to use your microphone. Once you are done with that, let's exit from this page and visit Facebook. Sure, you can easily try whether we have successfully accessed or allowed camera and microphone on Facebook Messenger or not. For that, you can go to Messenger at the right panel and then you can make video call or voice call to any users on the section. You can click on this video call icon and start a video call or the voice call as well. So that's it. That's how we can easily allow camera and microphone access on Facebook Messenger on laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.